Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Bugs Entertainment. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my beard lineup to the next level with a straight edge razor. Now this thing can take your beard lineup from looking from this to that. Now the single blade is cheap and makes your beard lineup just 10 times better, and you'll wonder why you haven't been using this thing straight out of the womb. Now without further ado, let's get right into it.
Alright, get your hair tied up because it's time for business. Before we get started with the single blade, I like to trim my beard to my desired length. You can also line yourself up with the trimmer to create guidelines for the single blade later, but my guidelines are pretty much already here. Alright, first off, you want to admire the razor. You gotta understand that the razor isn't merely a blade but a tool of perfection. The razor opens up like a butterfly and has 3 parts: the handle, the blade, and this little guy you're supposed to use for support. Before you use the razor, you gotta know how to handle it. Now there are many ways people hold the blade, but I'll show you my way. I like to place my middle and ring finger on the base with my index by the blade and thumb under the base. Now the pinky has the most important job. Pinky's going to be placing itself on this little dingle piece over here, but let's call him Norman. Now the pinky is placed on Jordan for control. It's crucial you keep your pinky unworn because if you don't, your blade will be wobbling all over the place. After you've understood the basic design and how to hold it, you got to take a look at the blade. Open up your razor and pop the blade right in. Now you may think that the entire blade is used at all times, but the truth is, you're wrong. The razor should be looked at as 3 parts: the middle, the end, and the other end. I think it'll be easier if we explain them with names: Morden, Gordon, and Forden. Gordon, the base here, is used for general shaves down the face. For when I'm shaving my cheek, I would be using Gordon. Now for the more detailed areas, I would either use Morden or Forden. Forden, the edge here, is used where my cheek and stash connect to get in the finer areas. Alright, now it's finally time to do the thing you've been waiting for. You've trained with Bugs Entertainment long enough, and now it's go time. But wait. Now, when shaving, there's 2 major rules. You gotta stretch your skin, which will make for a smoother shave, and always shave at an angle. It's gotta be at about a 30-degree angle to your skin. Now, you can use shaving cream for a smoother shave, but I usually use conditioner, or I just go for a dry shave because I'm ballsy. I'll do a dry shave on the left side of my face and use the conditioner on the other. Now let's get started with the dry shave. Simply glide the blade downwards and let the blade do the work. Make sure your hand is holding the blade how it should be with your pinky stabilizing Aaron. Now don't add too much pressure and just relax. Remember to use Forden and Morden when needed. Now I'm using Morden the back edge for this detail here. Now remember, you will also have guidelines from your trimmer lineup to help you. I use Forden the front edge to detail the top of my stash. Now moving on to the wet shave, apply warm water to your skin and apply the conditioner or shaving cream. Now it's the exact same process as the other side. Now if your skin isn't too irritated, you can also shave against the grain after to get rid of the tiniest remaining hairs to give you a crisp lineup. The neckline should be shaved by stretching your neck upward, and then I use Gordon, the middle of the blade, to just shave down. Now you're pretty much done. Add aftershave if you got some, but that's about it. The single blade gets the tiny hairs that a trimmer just can't get. This is quick and easy to use for a crisper lineup. Crisper? Is that a word? Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Leave a comment and like if this video helped out. I also want to thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers. It means so much to me. Make sure to give this channel a subscribe. I really appreciate it. Anyways, I'm gonna put this razor down before anyone gets hurt.